Would you like to have more people in your online community? In this video, you'll see a simple and straightforward strategy and get practical tips to bring in new members. I'm Marcia Chadley, here to help you be successful with online community across the spectrum from connection during online classes to deep ongoing memberships. My favorite online community tool is the Mighty Networks platform, and you'll be seeing examples of using it throughout this video. The main idea behind this strategy is to motivate people with a reason to join your network now. I'm not talking about a special price, a free trial period, bonuses, anything like that. Those are different kinds of strategies. We're going to be looking at a motivation that's tied into the purpose, the reason people are joining your network. That can be a stronger motivation than simply saving money. They're trying to get some end result, to make some change or transformation, whether it's they want to learn how to sleep better, they want to learn how to be a watercolorist, they're looking to create a mighty network in terms of my network. The first step in this strategy is for you to step back and remember and be in touch with what is the purpose that members join your network. What's that tangible result they're looking for? And then think about one step, one short step you can help them take on the journey to that result. You're looking for something that the whole network can do together, your whole community, and each person is taking a step on their individual path toward that end goal. It might be a quest or a challenge, a group live call, could be a special speaker. It might even be something that you normally do, like a monthly theme, but it's just a special theme and you're going to give extra focus to it. All of these activities I've talked about, these experiences, have a particular date, a start and an end. And that's really important. You want to give people a tangible step to do that takes them toward their purpose for joining the network. And you want it to happen at a specific time. So now you have a reason for people to join and a reason for them to join now. Now you have something great planned that will motivate people to join your network. You want to make sure they know about it. You want to make sure they know about the results they're going to achieve if they join now. So instead of saying, this is a great time to join my community, say, here's a great way to get XYZ results or change by joining my community now. Lead with the benefits they're going to get because that's what they're looking for. The first group of people to reach out to are your existing members. You want them to be excited and participate. And once they understand what's going to happen and the benefits they're going to receive, ask them to invite a friend who could really be helped by this experience too. Then you want to reach out and invite your friends or clients or people you know could really benefit by this activity and let them know how it would personally benefit. So if you reach out personally to people rather than sending a bulk email list, we want to do that too, but reach out individually to people, especially ones that you know have been looking for this or would benefit from it, and let them know exactly why you think it fits their situation. Then you do want to reach out to your email list, and you want to reach out to new audiences. This is a great way to interest people in your community that are looking for the purpose that your community provides because this special activity or experience is directly related to that. One of the things that you need to do that can sometimes be difficult is to reach out in multiple ways and multiple times. And it gets difficult only because we get in our own way. We think, oh, I've told people this so many times, they're going to be tired of hearing it. Actually, what it is we get tired of saying it because we're the only ones who hear and see all the invitations. People don't even see all the things you send to the channels that they do get. So don't be afraid to send this in multiple ways, through emails, through social media posts, through talking in your network to your members. Say the same thing in different ways, different times, so you make sure everybody gets to benefit from it. The next step is to do the thing. Have fun with this activity. You have new members in there as a side bonus. The existing members are getting more active and more interacting. And while things are happening in this activity, this experience you've set up, you want to do your best to nurture member-to-member connections, to get people knowing and engaging with each other while they're working on their individual goals. As things end and wind up in this activity, you want to guide those new and the existing members with recommendations on how to continue their journey, to continue getting more results from your network. How do you know if this activity worked? If you got more members, if they stuck around, if there's more activity happening now in your network or your online community? If you're using the Mighty Networks platform, you can use Mighty Networks Insights to look at the data, what's happening before, during, and after this experience that you've set up. You're watching this video because that's what you want to do. You want to bring new members into your network. So now's the time to do it. Do something different. Think about something that you could do in your network, an activity, an experience that would entice people to join now. Think about that activity again, and this time, how could you simplify it so you could do it in 4 weeks? Really, just 4 weeks. Think about 5 to 10 people that you could invite personally who would benefit from doing that activity and why they would benefit. And get started. What's holding you back? If you have more questions about this or in general about the Mighty Networks platform, online community, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos, and then check out the video description. I have links in there to join my free online community and to get information about working personally with me.